Pledging to counter the rise of the far right in Germany, a newly formed leftist party, the Sarah Wagenknecht Alliance (BSW), unveiled a populist agenda at its inaugural National Congress. Led by Sarah Wagenknecht, a well-known former leader of the Left Party, the party outlined proposals for increased pensions, reduced defense spending, and a departure from costly climate policies. In anticipation of upcoming regional and European elections, delegates at the Congress criticized the entire political spectrum, spanning from left to right. As the far-right alternative for Germany, AfD, continues to gather approximately 20% support in national opinion polls, attracting voters from traditional parties, the Sarah Wagenknecht Alliance (BSW) is gaining attention. With a polling standing of 8% in one eastern state, analysts speculate that the BSW could disrupt the AfD's influence. While the AfD trails behind the opposition Conservatives at 31%, it maintains a significant lead over the three parties in Chancellor Olaf Scholz's centre-left coalition, which collectively polls at 32%. The political landscape in Germany is evolving, with the BSW emerging as a potential factor in the upcoming elections. Expressing concerns about the state of democracy, Sarah Wagenknecht stated to Reuters on Saturday, "We fear that the anger and disagreement in the country will be seized upon by the AfD. We don't think people think radical right. They just want a voice that they don't have with other parties." Despite some policy similarities with the AfD, such as the shared stance of ending weapons deliveries to Ukraine, both parties did not address the origins of the conflict involving a Russian invasion during the Congress. The Sarah Wagenknecht Alliance (BSW) is positioning itself as an alternative voice for those who feel unheard by existing political parties. At a former cinema on East Berlin's Karl-Marx Alley, Sarah Wagenknecht and her party criticized Chancellor Olaf Scholz's center-left coalition, accusing it of prioritizing identity politics over people's material concerns. The party, with a robust presence in the former East Germany, resonates with its message of high social spending and financial security in challenging economic times. Wagenknecht depicted government and opposition as representatives of the comfortable elite, targeting Green ministers Robert Habeck and Annalena Baerbock for pursuing impractical and costly schemes. While ruling out collaboration with the AfD, the BSW faces its first electoral challenge in 3 upcoming state elections in the East, where the AfD remains a dominant force in polls. Wagenknecht's foreign policy stances may present additional hurdles in forming alliances with other parties.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.